The third experiment we'll do today will be to look at an inclined plane that's at a very low angle, about 5 degrees. And as you can see here, we have a little aluminum can. It's empty. There's no more of that wonderful San Pellegrino carbonated water in there, but we set this on the inclined plane. It doesn't move. Now let's add a little water to this experiment, and the water actually is not so much as a lubricant, but it's going to be to make a good seal for the next part. And so I'm going to get this nice and wet around here, and you can see that our limoncello is still not moving, even though there's a little bit of water set there. Now, the next part to the experiment will be to make the air inside very cold. And I'm going to do this by adding a little liquid nitrogen to the can. And so we'll let that cool down for a moment. Okay, then the next thing I'm going to do, we'll arrange the water and we'll set the can on here. And what we want to demonstrate is what happens. Okay, so got this, got a nice tight water seal around it, and I can't even get it to hold still. It just slides right down the hill until it gets to the edge where the air escapes. So what's happening is that air inside is expanding, and it increases the pore pressure. And so this is a demonstration of the importance of pore pressure on mass movement. Let's see if we can reproduce that again. So it'll probably go a little more slowly this time. Okay, still warming up. And again, as the air pressure inside, which supplies the pore pressure, increases, it moves right down the slope, and now the edge of the can has come over the edge of the glass, so our landslide is terminated. We let that pore pressure out, and movement ceased. So that's a little demonstration of the role of pore pressure. And again, remember, pore pressure is the water pressure inside the formation, which is acting like a little hydraulic jack. And as long as we have a relatively confined geologic unit above it so that the water doesn't just rise through the cracks in that material, then that pore pressure acts to elevate the block and allow it to move downhill.